Welcome to the part 2 of the explanation of the rituals Safohen Kodeyankson underwent while being installed as the Brofumba Asafo number 5 company of Cape Coast, Safohen. I will encourage you to like my video, make sure you leave a comment and tell me what you think, and I can give you clarifications on anything that you did not understand from the part 1 and even this very video. And please do not forget to subscribe and help me grow. That should be your thank you to me. So in your shot is Safohen Kodeyankson seated on his stool with two bowls filled with boiled egg and eto in front of him. Now, eto is the yellowish food you see there, and it is a traditional delicacy of Akans or Ghanaians in general, let me put it that way. Now, it is boiled yam mixed with palm oil. Eto can as well be prepared without the palm oil, so it renders it white. Now, this particular food can be used for rituals like this, and then as well as the rite of passage, let me put it that way, because from naming ceremony of a baby through to puberty rite, through marriage to funerals, the eto can be used. So before our dear Safohen Kodeyankson eats, the gods must first be fed. So you can see the man sprinkling white and yellow atto with eggs on the compound. First, it is for the supreme being, which is Nananyame, and then the head goddess Asasefua, plus the 77 gods of the land of Cape Coast and every other spirit that is around. And in doing that, they are asking for protection, they are asking for mercies, they are asking for successful rain and rituals for the installation of Safohen. So if you can understand the fancy language, you can hear the man prayerfully sprinkling this eto on the ground and repeating exactly what I had said early on, pleading for success of the installation process, the rituals, and everything that they will do. So this is one of the defining moments of the ritual process. This is where the Safohen would have to eat the eto with the eggs that have been presented or put before him. If you look closely, you realize that the old man takes a portion of the eto and then hits the shoulders of Safohen Kodeyankson and eventually his lips before dropping the eto to the ground. At this point, Safohen is not meant to actually swallow any portion of the eto. This is what is supposed to be done. Now, shoulder in Infante is called kra, and the soul, as in the human soul, is also called kra. What they are doing is that they are feeding his soul first before his actual body gets to eat. And you can see that the man has taken a huge portion of the toe and given it to Safohen Kodeyankson. He's supposed to hold the toe as close as possible to his mouth with both hands and never let go or even let any allowance come in between the food and his lips. He's supposed to finish the huge morsel in his hand without letting any allowance come between the food and his lips. It is only the Safohen who will eat a full portion of an egg. Everyone gathered there will be given half or probably a quarter of an egg plus some of the effort that our dear Safohen Kodeyankson was given. All these will be done amidst the chanting of war songs or songs that narrate the historic feat achieved by the Brofumba Asafo Company or probably any other Asafo company that is doing this kind of ritual. So as the Safohen is eating, the rest of the 12 plus the eggs will be given to an elder who will then mold them into several morsels to be distributed to everyone that is present during this particular phase of the ritual. And mind you, they are not going to get full egg. Every egg in there will be divided and shared amongst the people gathered. You realize that from the part 1 of this video to this very one, our Safohen hasn't spoken until now. Yes, it is also part of the rituals. That is when you are released from the shrine to this very location, you are not supposed to utter a word. You are supposed to keep absolutely silent until everything is done up to this point. That is where whatever you have to say, you can voice it out. It can be in the form of appreciation or any word of advice or encouragement or anything. So this is what Safohen had to say. After everything, Safohen Yanson's name needed to go into the records of Profumba Asafo Company, so that in the event that they are doing a roll call of their members or their Safohen, his name would have a place in there. So once again, I would like to thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.